Hey guys, welcome to a new unboxing on my channel. Today I got a new package right here, and what I really love, it's amazing when you get a package like this. It's not from the seller, or better the guy I got it from. It's from the German customs service. That's all in Germany, yes. They did that. They checked what is inside and managed to close it with some tape in this really professional way that nothing can happen to the cans when they come back to me from their office. Yeah. My eyes itchy, I'm sorry. But the cans are here. I hope nothing happened to them. I got them from Jake Andrew Clark from Facebook and from Instagram. Jay's Barrage Collection. You should check him out and leave him a like and a follow. And now we will see what I've got here. Some airbags, a can, another one, and another one. Yeah. And that's all. 3 cans in total. Full. Good packed. It looks very good packed. Like always from Jake. And he got me this brand new can right here. Oh, you saw it, didn't you? You saw it right here in the corner. You saw that. It's true. It's the Monster Energy Gronk edition with some fingerprints. Still full, great condition, happily. I can't wait to try that. Actually, I'm thinking about to do a new series when I put this unboxing, and right after that I put a review of the drink. So you will get a back-to-back video. I will work something out. Maybe it's right after this video. So I will see. We go on. Number 2. All cans are full. All are packed in this Private Mail USPS bags. Pretty good, pretty solid. That's a really good way. And I got right here another one. Another one for a friend of mine. We ordered together. And last but not least, also brand new for the United States. Another one. Yeah, that's true. I got 3 of them for 2 of my friends. I shaked the camera. Stay good. And all in pretty good condition. They are perfect. Thank you very much, Jake. I appreciate it. It worked very well, like always. And if you're interested in US cans, fast shipping, good packaging, check him out. He have a lot of cans for sale, also on ebay.com. I know that because I'm smart. And that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on my next video, maybe the review. Goodbye. Hey guys, welcome to the second part of this video. Like I said, I will try something new and we'll do a back-to-back video and unboxing and review all in one. And you saw the unboxing, you saw the cans. Now it's a little bit later in time at all, in general. It's not the same day. And I got a can here. And it's ice cold, like you can see. And that's how you should drink a Monster Energy. And we will start with the design of the can. Then I will open it, pour it in a glass that you all can see the color. And I will fast forward that, and then we can go on to the taste, to the smell, and so on. So we have the can, Monster Energy Gronk from US, looking pretty good. It's the US version to the European and South African Valentino Rossi the Doctor can. It's in silver with blue, red and white. It's in the colors of the Patriots, where Rob Gronkowski is playing, if I'm right. If not, I'm not so much into American football, mostly because we don't see it often here in Germany. And the can looks pretty good. It shall taste like Red Bull, and that are the Red Bull colors, so we will see. So I will open it and see you soon. We are back with the drink in a nice little beer glass, and it smells honestly a lot like the original Rockstar and Monster in a mix. That typical Monster with a little bit of that bubblegum taste that normal standard energy drinks have. It smells good, normal energy drink wise, pretty sweet, and the color is also like an energy drink color, standard. Now we will try it. Honestly, I'm not very happy with that. It's a pretty normal energy drink when I go to a store and buy a can for 59 cents. I have the same. It's like a Red Bull. It's just like a Red Bull. Nothing special. I think the special thing about this is the design and the promo with Gronk. If I should get points or give points, the can is an 8. The color of the drink is a 9.5, because it looks really good. The smell is a 7, and the taste is a 5, because it's not bad, it's just nothing special and nothing that I accepted from that. I hoped for something special, because the German, here in Germany, the Dr. Can has a pretty nice taste, almost similar to the Ultra Sunrise, but with sugar. If you only can compare it to that, maybe. And yeah, I can drink it. I will drink it out. And I will buy it ever again. Maybe for collector reasons, but not for drinking. And that was it for today. I hope you like the new series, the back-to-back videos, where we start with the unboxing and then with a review of one can, if there was only one can in the package, or one of the cans, and maybe sometimes even two. We will see. We will see how this is going, how you like it. I would like to see some comments down below, or write me on Facebook how you like this, and if you want to see more like this, and what you want to see in general. And that was it for today. I said it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.